Understanding owe money. Hello dear learners. Today, we're going to explore a common phrase in the English language, owe money. If you've ever been in a situation where someone borrowed something from you or vice versa, this is a must-know phrase. So, let's dive in. Owe is a verb that means to be under obligation to pay or repay someone. It signifies a debt. Money, as we all know, is the medium we use for exchange, like dollars, pounds, or euros. So when we say someone owes money, it means they have a debt in terms of money to someone else. Example, if John borrowed $10 from Jane and hasn't paid her back yet, we say, John owes money to Jane. To get a clearer understanding, let's look at how we can use owe money in different sentences. 1. I owe money to the bank because of my mortgage. 2. Do you owe money to anyone? 3. She paid back everything she owed, so she doesn't owe money anymore. While owe money is straightforward, there are other related phrases and expressions you might come across. 1. In debt. This means you owe money. Example, I am in debt because of my student loans. 2. Pay off. To clear a debt by giving what is owed. Example, I finally managed to pay off my credit card. 3. Settle up. To pay what you owe, especially when you owe money to someone you know. Example, let's settle up now so I don't forget to pay you back. There you have it, learners. We hope this breakdown helps you understand the phrase, owe money, better. Remember, it's all about debts and obligations related to money. Keep practicing and using it in your daily conversations. And, as always, happy learning!